Listen to this meditation to make anyone text you in 10 seconds. With this meditation, you will send a silent message straight into your specific person's mind, and they will feel the shift within seconds. Now let's begin by finding a quiet space somewhere where you won't be interrupted. Now close your eyes and picture them right in front of you. They are standing there looking right into your eyes. Now mentally say to them, "You miss me. You can't stop thinking about me." You feel an overwhelming urge to reach out. Now say it again, slower this time and with more power. "You missed me. You can't stop thinking about me." You feel an overwhelming urge to reach out to me. Now see them pick up their phone. They are scrolling through old photos of you and smiling. They then open up their text app. They click on your name, and an invisible force they can't fight begins to force them to text you. After they are finished texting, they hit the send button. Now imagine hearing the message received tone on your phone. You then grab your phone and see they message you. You open up the message and you read it. What does it say? How does it feel as you are reading this message from your specific person? Reread the message a few more times. Really feel how this message makes you feel. They can also feel your energy right now. They are feeling this energy and getting this urge to text you right now. Now take a deep breath in, and as you exhale out, you are releasing this energy into the universe. Believe that it is already done. You no longer have to chase, beg, or try to prove your worth. It is already done. Type, "They have an overwhelming urge to reach out to me," to affirm this meditation. And if you would like help manifesting a call, a text, or more love from your specific person, I can help you. All you have to do is head to joybyjanell.com and I can manifest whatever you would like from your specific person, just like thousands of my other clients. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. I hope you have a day full of love and joy, and I will see you in the next meditation.